and happy Monday. I'm Tara Swiger and this is the weekly vlog. I am here in Columbus, well on Sunday when I record this. I'm here in Columbus in the beautiful Goodale Park. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm in Columbus because I was teaching 2 essential oil classes with my friend Esther at her yarn shop, Yarn It and Haberdashery, which is just right next to downtown Columbus in Grandview Heights, Ohio. It's such an awesome yarn shop. It is full of indie yarn, handmade bags, handmade stitch markers. Actually, she was one of the first shops ever to carry and tutor stitch markers, and Anne is one of my friends and Starship captains, so I love everything in the shop. If you're ever near Columbus, go check it out. And yeah, we were teaching yesterday, did natural solutions for knitters, how to use essential oils for like the aches and pains that you get as a knitter, you know, like your wrist, your fingers, your neck, and also how to use essential oils on in your knitting, like lavender keeps away moths. And then today I'm going to do natural solutions for families, and then I'm driving home. So that was my big adventure this week, is coming into Columbus and teaching and enjoying the beautiful parks, the beautiful downtown, the delicious food. Columbus is really super cool. I actually grew up outside of Dayton, Ohio, and Dayton is 2 hours. I always get my directions mixed up when it comes to Ohio. Dayton is 2 hours west, and I actually grew up in a really rural Ohio, 1 hour west of Dayton. So as a kid, we didn't come to Columbus very often, but my best friend went to college at Otterbein, which is just right outside Columbus, and so in college I'd come see her a couple times a year and we'd hang out here, and it's fun to explore as an adult. There's lots of good food, lots and lots of art, and it's such a good, strong handmade community. You might remember from my vlog back in, was I doing the weekly vlog back in March? I think so. I came to Columbus for Midwest Craft Con and I won the Lifetime Achievement Award, and the craft community here is amazing. So thanks so much for watching. This week I'm actually making kind of a big announcement about my life. It's not really an announcement, it's an announcement that there'll be an announcement. So check that out on, I'm probably going to do it live on Facebook, and then I'll upload it here to YouTube, so watch that for updates on what's going on with me. I hope you guys have an excellent week, and I'll talk to you later.